What kind of plane we got here, Caleb?
Super Cub, made by Hobby Zone.
All right.
Float plane.
Float plane. Oh yeah. We tried taking off from the water, just don't have quite enough arse. So we went to the throwing method. There it is. It's hard to see. Coming in for the landing. Oh, nice smooth landing.
Stuck right in the water. Sweet.
Did the job.
Yeah.
Let's go say hi to the boys. What's up, dudes? What's up? What's up, Connor?
Sky.
Sky's up.
Uh-huh.
What you making?
A spear.
Oh.
Put that gun back up there, the rocket.